Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best latte machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine. Drinks from your favorite coffee shop generally tend to taste better because the makers use better equipment. With this tool, you can get the same effect, and the latte making process is simplified into very few easy steps. You can grind your beans using the incorporated grinder, which also offers dose control features that ensure the coffee is just the right amount. This is usually the first step in the process. Next, you brew the coffee, and the heat-up time is only an impressive 3 seconds. The digital temperature control helps in this regard by ensuring optimum temperatures that allow for espresso extraction. The last step in the process is adding milk to your coffee. Here the auto steam wand component comes in handy. You can use it to regulate coffee temperature alongside the texture. The controls that let you do this are in a touchscreen situated on the front side of the coffee machine. All the 3 steps mentioned above are customizable to different levels and can be saved as presets to be used at a later date. The latte maker can have as many as 8 saved presets, all of which can be saved under different names. Also, if you're looking to start making latte art, you can begin by practicing with this home latte machine. Despite the many features, the design of the coffee maker is relatively compact and won't take up much space in your kitchen. The warranty terms also seem very favorable with 2-year limited coverage, while other options of the same caliber offer half that much. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeLonghi Eletta Digital Super Automatic Espresso Machine. If you want to have quality coffee without having to worry about the processes involved in making the drink, then this fully automatic latte coffee machine should be your first pick. You get an intuitive display, though this one is not touchscreen like the one provided by Breville above. What you get instead are 11 drink options that you can access by pressing a single button. The coffee maker does the rest and fills it in a cup of your choice. Some of the more popular buttons include those for cappuccino, latte, and espresso, and the maximum size for a cup you can use with this particular model is 5.5 inches. Also, the gadget retains a welcome consistency in the coffee output for each coffee preset. However, if you want to maintain a bit of control, you can customize these settings to just how you like your drink. As for which coffee to buy at the supermarket, you can choose either beans or ground coffee depending on your preference. The coffee maker supports the use of both. Separate heating elements for milk and espresso ensure temperatures are right for the drink. Also, there is an extractable brew unit. The fact that you can detach it from the central unit makes it one of the easier ones to clean. At number 3, we have the Gaggia Brera Super Automatic Espresso Machine. The Gaggia Brera is a product of Italy and one that oozes quality. Most of the latte maker components are easy to reach from the front, to remove, to clean. This makes maintaining the machine a breeze. For operation, this device incorporates both an LED screen and push-button control. Also, the front is made of durable stainless steel that will ensure the long life of the product while you use it at home. Like the previous models mentioned above, this unit has a burr grinder for whole coffee beans. If whole beans do not strike your fancy, you can choose to use pre-ground coffee using the dedicated slot. Also, this is an intelligent machine. After multiple uses, it records the information, and the adapting system can then learn and adjust the grinder to give you better service. The Panarello steam wand creates foam and dispenses milk, and this makes a perfect espresso machine for latte art. The wand can also act as a hot water dispenser whenever you need to make tea. In addition to all the features above, you won't have to wait for any more than 10 seconds of heat-up time to get your coffee. Add the 1-year warranty and the reasonable pricing, and that makes it a winner and probably one of the best gadgets you could own for the money. At number 2, we have the Mr. Coffee Cafe Latte Maker. From the image, you can see that the unit comes with a simplistic design. Unfortunately, that also means it has limited functionality. It will also probably take the least amount of counter space when compared with all other options on our list. Making hot chocolate isn't a standard feature with other similar products, but you can expect that functionality with this model. Also, when you buy this model by Mr. Coffee, you get a recipe book in the box that can help you make different types of drinks with the gadget. Just like the other gadget by the same manufacturer on our list, this one only works with pre-ground coffee. Safety features include the coffee maker powering off on its own once the drink is ready. And finally at number 1, we have the Nespresso Lattissima Plus Coffee and Espresso Machine. If you consider using ground coffee a messy affair, you can opt out by using capsules instead. This method also involves less work on your part as you don't have to measure the raw coffee quantities you put into the machine. The water reservoir goes on the back while the milk one features on the front side of the device. The incorporation of a thermoblock heating system helps to reduce heat-up times and to retain heat when it is most needed. This thus makes it the best single-serve latte machine you can own. The control buttons serve to give you 3 milk and 2 coffee options which you can use in combination to make your drink of choice. You are advised to use skimmed and semi-skimmed milk every time you use this gadget, and for optimum results, it should be an average of 4 degrees Celsius. Also, you might be required to clean this more often than you would with a few other coffee makers. This way you get to live out your warranty with the machine intact. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.